Okay, I think I've figured out what I can call it. Vicarious embarrassment. That's what I felt for Chris Rock and everybody in that audience. I didn't read a lot of comments purposely about the whole Oscar slap because I wanted to formulate my own opinion. And I think the reason why I felt so strongly about it, so several weeks ago, a black man purposely, intentionally disrespected me on set. And it was embarrassing for me because there were so many other people present and not one of them, not one, came to my defense. And it was allowed to just kind of get swept under the rug and moved on. But you know, when we talk about protecting black women, Will slapping Chris Rock because Chris made a dry ass G.I. Jane joke about her is not what I would consider protecting black women. I was in a situation years ago, a domestic violence situation, and it ended up displacing me. And when I think about the people that were in my life and my former partner's life, our life at that time, none of them really came to my defense. Like, I had to carry that weight, even to the point of living in a women's shelter on my own, trying to find a new place to live and going through all these changes. Now, thank God, there were some very fine black men who did come to my aid and supported me through that time. But that's what I think about when I think about protecting black women. Will was just pissed. You know, I get it. But we can't excuse that, and we can't say, oh yeah, that's protecting black women. It's not. That's not how I need for my black man to protect me. Okay, I'm very capable of cussing any man out. So here's the thing. If we want to protect women, and black women in particular, here's how you can start. Stop openly and privately disrespecting me. Quit hurting me in front of my kids. Fight for me and value me even when I'm not around. Fight for us to have better paying jobs. So when we say we're protecting black women, let's make very sure that we're using it in the proper context. Yeah, I think that's a good start.